Here at Titan Pressure Washing, we love your plants just as much as you do. So we pre-water, we tarp, and use Miracle Grow. All the plants that are susceptible to getting bleach on them get covered. These will just spray down and then post-treat with Miracle Grow. Everything gets a gutter bag. We'll end up doing the screen enclosure as well as the roof. The gutters, downspouts.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.